Hello friends, today we start our fourth property. There is a remaining one sentence, so you can write down this sentence. Uh, the which of the sentence? The fourth property is the ratio areas of two triangles if they have same basis and the same height is equal to 1:1. There is spelling mistake for ratio area. You can write down the ratios area of two triangles if they have same basis and same height is equal to the 1:1 correspondence. ये आपकी फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक्स में नहीं है तो एंड प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है देखिए आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है तो आप यू कैन रीड डाउन दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड यू कैन सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस एट 1.1. So how can we solve this? Two way we can solve these questions. If you know that there are two triangles, base and height they are given, so if you find out the ratio of areas of two triangles, how can we solve? If you know that without diagram and with diagram we can solve these questions. So first we see the diagram or without diagram. Consider if a triangle ABC, then first triangle is ABC, I consider, then the base is 9 centimeter. B1 you can also write down in short. And the second triangle, if you know that, consider triangle PQR. Both triangle I consider. So here we write down base first triangle. What is the first triangle base? Base is 9. There is not given any centimeter units, so you can also write down only unit or 9 only. So base 9. Here I draw a triangle ABC and then another triangle PQR. P, I give the name P, Q and then R. Here I draw base, here I draw height for first triangle ABC and second triangle's height. So give the name D and T. Okay. So consider the base. What is the base? B1 in short we can write down. BC is equal to 9 centimeter. First triangle's base. And then second triangle height. When first triangle's height H1 you can in short write down height is 5 or height is AD is equal to 5. The second triangle. What is second triangle? Second triangles PQR and H1. What is H1 or BC or B1? B1 B2 is equal to QR is equal to what is given? Base 10 and then height H2 is equal to 6. Here you can write down in short. Also you can write down H2. So I consider the triangle, that's why I am writing here names. So areas of two triangles ratio, if you know how to write down areas of triangle ABC upon areas of triangle PQR is equal to what is the ratio? 1/2. 1/2 base into height. So we already know 1/2 and 2 is same. So here is formula base into height. Base into height. You can also write down B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So here I write down BC into what is AD, then QR into BD. So here is base and height is different. So you need to write down a statement. What is the statement? So we rough here and write down the statement. What is the statement here? The both triangles in bracket, curly bracket, in curly bracket you can write down the statement. Which statement means you property, which property we learn when the basis and height are different, then we use the property number first. So So which so property means having a triangles, having a both triangles height and bases are different. Here you can write down as like that. Just wait a minute. Here you can write down having different bases and height, different bases and height are corresponding their base, corresponding their products. You can also write down or having different bases and height. In short, we can write down. So what is BC into AD upon QR into PT? So here what is a BC? What is BC given in question? BC is given 9 and then AD is given 5. Then what is given QR? 10 into what is given PT? 6. So you can cut down 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, then also 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 threes are. So what is here? 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 4. So what you should know that how the write down the answer in final. Areas of a triangle ABC upon areas of a triangle PQR is equal to what we get the answer final. So you can write down 3 upon 4 in a bracket, make a box in last. It is the final answer here. So same as like we can solve a second problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and message me in WhatsApp. So I hope you will understand base and height. What is the base, what is the height, how can I consider the triangle first, second. Here we write down the second questions. Just wait 1 minute. Here a second question in your screen or in your boards. So in the figure BC perpendicular to AB, BC perpendicular to AB. BC कहाँ पे देखिए आप BC, BC is perpendicular. It means this is a right angle triangles. So AB is a base and then BC is a height of this triangle. Means ABC is a triangle, right angle triangle. Then ABD. This is another triangle. So AD is perpendicular to AB and BC is perpendicular to AD. There are two triangles in question. They are given. BC is equal to 4 and AD is 8. So I write down the information. If you know that there are two triangles. So what they get? They need to find out areas of these two triangles. So solutions. Triangles. Which triangles? They are given ABC. Triangle ABC, first triangle, or triangle in triangle ABC you can write down, and then triangle ADB. There are two triangles. P1, in short we can write B1. What is the base? B1 means AB is a base, common base. So both the triangles there are common base. AB is equal to B1 is equal to AB, and then height. What is the height? Height is BC. Then another height is BC. Height is BC. Then another triangle base. What is the base of another triangle? AB is a base of another triangle. AB is the base of another triangle. And then what is the height of another triangle? Means ADB is a triangle. Then what is the height of this triangle? AD is the height of this triangle. if you know that the base of both triangles are common or equal, you can say a common. So how to find out the ratio of these two triangles? Areas of triangle ABC upon areas of triangle ADB is equal to, what is the formula to find out the ratio? Base B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is the formula. So you need to write down the statement. What is statement? There is a common base, so you need to write down the statement. Which statement? Here you write down having bases are same, AB into BC. You can write down the given name, then statement AB into BC upon AB into AD, then statement having bases are equal, having bases are equal. Having bases are equal corresponding their heights. मीन्स अगर बेसिस अगर सेम होंगे तो उसकी हाइट उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग के इक्वल हो जाएगी. ये हमें स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे राइट डाउन करना है कि एग्जामिनर को हमें इंडिकेट करना है कि जब बेसिस सेम होंगे तो उसकी हाइट करस्पॉन्डिंग उसकी इक्वल हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग हियर रीजंस. So you need to cancel out the basis. That's why we write down the reasons to here. So AB get cancelled. So what we have left, BC upon AD. What is the value of BC? BC is equal 4 and AD is 8. So we need to cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then what is the answer? 1 upon 2 is the answer. So here I write down 1 upon 2. Then what is the areas of? You can write down a last line. What they can ask? Areas of triangle ABC and upon areas of triangle ABD is equal to 1 upon 2. Here it is your final answer. I hope you will understand this problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So here you put the box to indicate it is your final answer. So if you know that base is common, the height is different. That's why we get the ratio of these triangles. So bye.